Here in St. John's, improvements are being made all the time, but right behind me, one improvement is making a huge difference for our neighbors' safety and everyday lives.
Pretty neat opportunity to really connect the whole outer part of town.
Director of Public Services Justin Smith is talking about just one of the many improvements across St. John's that are taking place to provide the city with more accessibility, safety, and sustainability. This project is 2,500 linear feet of 8-foot wide non-motorized pathway that will connect to the Fred Meyer Clinton Ionia Shiawassee Rail Trail.
We have it connected down to the CIS trail, the Fred Meyer riding trail. This will finally connect it down to Townsend Road with a crossing that will cross Business Route 27.
Smith says that because of the need for more safety and accessibility, the city received a 50-50 matching grant of $155,000 from the DNR for a project total of $310,000, but expect to be well below that cost. Smith also says that the efforts and collaboration from Bingham Township have helped to make this project a walk in the park.
We want to really continue to partner with us in Bingham Township to look at this area as a community as a whole, and what can we provide to the community, not just necessarily the lines within the city of St. John's. So kudos to them. This is a really exciting project for us to get finished up.
Neighbors can expect the project to be fully completed sometime between May and June. In your neighborhood, I'm Russell Shelberg, Fox 47 News.